Hey there, I'm the Garnish guy, and today I'm gonna show you how to make a really cool coconut cucumber mocktail. Stay tuned. Today I'm gonna make a mocktail, a really good cocktail without no alcohol. Great layers, great flavors. Let me show you how it's done. We're gonna start with 2 ounces of Lyre's non-alcoholic rum spirit. Right there. And then this right here is a green tea that I made. 3/4 ounce of that. Fun, just right there. 1 ounce of lime juice, go in there. And for the fun ingredient, we're gonna use my soda stream. It's actually a game changer. It turns regular tap water into sparkling water right at home. Just fill up the bottle right to the line and pop it right in the machine. It's like magic. And there you have it. Now let's finish this cocktail. We are gonna add coconut flavor right in it. 1 cup full of this. It's like making coconut water at home. Look at that. And a touch of cucumber essence. You can do a teaspoon if you have it at home. I'm gonna eyeball it and boom, great combo. Cucumber and coconut is like perfect for the summer. Do a little stir right there. Boom, there you have it. We're gonna add some ice into this. And time for the shake. Go. Now you need a special vessel. You know, I'm the garnish guy. I need a cool glass and a cool garnish. So in the coconut it is. So we're gonna pour it right there directly. Boom. And now we're gonna add our coconut water and cucumber essence right in the mix. Just top it off, you know. Probably about 2 ounces of that. A great flavor. Now the best part, the garnish. Some cucumber ribbons, a little cool straw, and there you have it. A really fun, easy mocktail you can make at home. Make sure you like, follow, and subscribe for some great recipes. Cheers.